If you're interested in starting a side hustle, but you're a little skeptical, cynical, and uneasy, this video is for you. Before we get started, my name is Gary, and I provide real numbers and real breakdowns so you can figure out how to make money online without losing your mind. So make sure that you give me a follow. I post new videos Monday through Friday that are going to help you. Even if you and I never work together, this channel will work for you. So make sure that you follow so you don't miss anything. I think there are 2 safe rules that if you will follow, you can start to have some success in your new side hustle today. I know that's a big claim, but hang out to the end of the video because I know it'll help you. So consider these 2 rules, if you will, kind of like guardrails on a road. Those guardrails are there to keep you on track so you don't hurt yourself and to keep you on track so you don't hurt others. So if you will follow these 2 rules in your side hustle, I think you'll be safe. The first one is that you do not have to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars or hundreds upon hundreds of dollars to start your side hustle online today in 2026. You do not. You can actually get started really, really inexpensively and with tools that you probably already have. Like if you're watching me right now on a cell phone, which you probably are, and you have a TikTok account, for example, which obviously you do, then you've got pretty much all that you need to get the party started. So is there going to be some cost associated with starting your online side hustle? Of course, but does it need to be hundreds and hundreds of dollars? No. So find a vehicle where it's low cost, simple, and you can leverage what you've already got in your hands to go do something. Are you with me? Second guardrail is that, friends, you just need to start. Wherever you start. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you and I may never start together. I hope we do, but that's okay if we don't. Wherever you're going to land, you need to start. Friends, you and I can be so masterful at delaying and procrastinating and calling it like research. I'm researching, I'm pondering, I'm thinking about it. Meanwhile, do you have bills that need to be paid today? Yes or yes? Some debt that you want to pay off today? Yes or yes? You've got things that need to be done and handled now, yet the thing that will help us to get started, we put off. We delay. We're so weird that way. So I know this sounds counterintuitive, but I've been coaching people online since 2012 when my beard was not so gray. And I can tell you that, man, one of the biggest obstacles is not the price. It's not the systems. It's not learning stuff. It's not doing videos. It's just taking the next logical right step. And what's the next logical right step for you? It's to start. Now, maybe you're looking for the right place to start or the right person to start with. And maybe you click with me. Maybe you're like, you know what? The enthusiastic bald guy, I kind of get this dude. Great. Let's take the next logical step. I'm providing a step-by-step plan showing you exactly how to get started and using the guardrails that we explain here on this channel. One of which is you don't have to spend a bunch of money to get started. I want to show you how. If you're interested in taking the next logical right step, just comment below right step. Those 2 words, right step. I'm going to acknowledge your comment. I'm going to let you know that I'm going to send you a DM. And then I'm going to send you a DM and I'm going to say, hey, is it cool if I send you the information? Because I need you to say like, yeah, I really want you to do this. And then I'll send it over to you and you can do with it whatever you like. But whatever it is, friends, just start.